Hi guys, welcome back to school. I know this is not ideally what we were all hoping for or expecting, but we're gonna make the most of it and do the best that we can. And so I wanted to go over and just introduce what my expectations are for this new distance learning course. We know that we're gonna be doing this until at least May. So we've got a lot of work ahead of us, but we're gonna try to make it reasonable and have reasonable expectations for you guys. And I'm sure you're getting the same message from all of your teachers that we still want you to learn, we still want you to do your best. But we're going to try to adjust our expectations for you as you are working from home. So what this video is just to kind of overview. These are the things that will be expected of you. Here's kind of how I've designed the course for the next few weeks. And in order to do that, I'm going to share with you, I have a letter in Schoology that looks like this. And these are kind of my expectations for you. So I wanted to review them with you and make sure that you kind of hear it from me as far as what I'm expecting of you and what this course will look like. Again, we know this is going to be a new experience for all of us, and I think it's important that we're patient with each other. So you can expect that things aren't going to go perfectly on my end, and I understand that things aren't going to go perfectly on your end, and we're going to work through them together. Okay, so some important information that we need to go over. The first is attendance. So I'm not going to be taking attendance every single day. I'm not necessarily going to make you check in with me every single day, but I am going to be tracking the homework that you submit, and I'm going to be documenting other forms of contact I have with you, either through messages, through emails, or through phone calls. So it is important for you that you are going to engage with me and that we're going to and that you're going to show me that you're doing the work. So if you're not engaging with the work every week, I'll be notifying that information to school. I will also be contacting home. So just make sure that you are keeping up and kind of doing the work every week. And I'll kind of go over with you how we're going to be doing that work weekly. If there's an illness that's preventing you from working on any given day, like if you're really sick or you just, you can't work, make sure that your parents still call into school just like they would on a regular school day. So even though I'm not doing daily check-ins, I'm still expecting you to be engaging with the work. And if there's just a day you're too sick or something's preventing you from doing work, still have your parents call in and let them know that you are not able to work that day. I do have a contact form on Schoology. If you look here in the week 1 folder, this contact form, what I'm looking for is that you can let me know what the best way is to get a hold of you. So if calling you on the phone, if texting you, if using your school email or messaging through Schoology, and then tell me what that either phone number or email is that I should contact you. And then the same thing through your parents. What is the best way to contact them? Having contact with you is going to be super important, okay? I will never contact you unless it's school related. And I know a lot of you, oops, wrong thing here. I know a lot of you, if texting is the easiest way, then I will certainly send you a text if there's something I need to get a hold of you about, but obviously it'll only be things related to school. Okay, so just let me know what the best way is to contact you and fill out that contact form. Again, this is important. So if you're not doing this, then we're going to be reaching out to you to make sure that you are engaging and going through the necessary steps, especially during this first week. Okay, so how things will be done is I will post things weekly. So I'm not expecting you to log in every day. However, I'm giving you about 20 minutes of work every single day. So you can either log in on Monday and do 20 minutes, log in on Tuesday and do 20 minutes, or if you have just an hour set aside where you can get it all done at once for economics each week, you can do it that way. But I will post things on Monday. I will have a series of lessons. You should do them in order. So start with lesson 1, go on to lesson 2, do them chronologically. That's how they're designed to be done. And you will have until the following week to submit them. So if they're posted on a Monday, they'll be due the following Monday, which is also the day I'll open up new content for the next week. Okay, it is supposed to be about 20 minutes a day. So I will never give you more than that, or if I do, then I'll cut down and make the next assignment shorter. So trying to kind of even it out so it's roughly 20 minutes a week. I think the best way to do it is to do 20 minutes a day. But That may not work for you. Maybe you've got siblings that you're responsible for. Maybe you're still filling in work shifts. And so I will have the expectation that it's completed within 7 days, which I think is a very reasonable expectation for you to be able to get it done within those 7 days. Okay. If you need to contact me because you have questions, you don't understand something, you have other issues that arise, or something's not working, please let me know right away. You can email me. You can call the school phone and leave me a message. I will be checking my messages regularly throughout the day, and then just make sure you leave your name and your phone number, or tell me how to contact you and when would be a good time to contact you. You can send me messages through Schoology. But feel free, and absolutely, I mean, part of what is going to be important in this is communication. And so if you have questions or you need help, you need to make sure that you are contacting me as soon as possible. Okay, which kind of goes in with number 5, that you need to be an advocate for your own learning. More importantly now than ever. I mean, this is always the case. Many of you are seniors or you're juniors in high school. You should be able to reach out to take control and be proactive about your learning. So if there's something that you need help with, now is your chance to be responsible. I'm not going to be sitting with you in the classroom telling you what you need to do. So I'm not going to know. If you're confused, if things aren't working, I'm not going to know unless you reach out to me and tell me directly. So please, please, please reach out anytime, and I will be understanding. We will be flexible, and like I said, we'll be patient with one another in figuring it out. Okay. Other than that, I've probably forgotten to mention something, but things will change. I mean, we'll adapt. So I'm kind of designing the course as I think would be the most appropriate. But if a few weeks go by and I need to make changes, then I'll make changes. And I'll be alerting you and giving you these weekly updates to let you know what kind of changes are made. The second video that's in the folder is the kind of discussion of our checklist. So every week we're going to have a checklist that looks like this, that'll give you an outline of what to do. And I have included a video. I will include a video every single week explaining that checklist and what the expectations are for each of those different assignments. So make sure that you watch that as well. They're very short. This seems like a lot for week 1, but again, we're kind of establishing some expectations, kind of going through some items to make sure that we understand, and then you'll kind of get into a rhythm and we'll figure things out as we go week to week, and it won't be as much as maybe week 1 looks like. So I hope everyone's doing well. I miss you guys. Again, I would much rather be in the classroom with you, but this is what we're gonna do, and it'll be fine, and we'll work it out. And again, anytime you need help, reach out to me and I will help. Okay, talk to you guys soon.